Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Toyota RAV4 2.5 VVT-h Excel CVT 4-wheel drive, which is a petrol hybrid automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in obsidian blue metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED projector headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. You also have 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing the obsidian blue exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can see you've got a huge amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase, a pushchair, or perhaps just a large weekly shop. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel, infotainment system, and once again you can see that lovely leather upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, and as well as this, it is also a memory seat, so once you found a comfortable position you are also able to save it, as it is a memory seat. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your cruise control, volume controls, and buttons to change your information panel, allowing you to do several things via your fingertips. Taking a look at your digital dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 47,048 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need, including your navigation system, which is brilliant for allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. Along with this, you also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And to help in those difficult parking situations, you do in fact have a rear view camera, making reversing and manoeuvring into those difficult spaces so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control system, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. You also have different driving modes, including trail, eco, sport, as well as normal, and even an EV mode. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.